Hello everyone and welcome to Robotics Revolution. So today in this video we are going to learn about a very exciting project, LED blinking. Yeah, you heard it right. LED blinking we are going to do using Arduino. In this tutorial I will guide you step by step on how you can control an LED using basic components and some basic coding. Okay? And by the end of this video, you will not only understand how it works, but I am sure you will also be ready to create your own project with full confidence. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now let's change our project name first. Where is our project? Okay, here we can change first circuits. Yeah. So here on the top left side, you can see here we can change our name. What is our project name? LED blinking. 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 Okay. Now here I have changed my project name. You can see here on the top left side, LED blinking. I have changed the name. Now in this project, we will require some basic three components. First, we required for the LED blinking is Arduino. Now, second component. What is the second component we required for the LED blinking? Of course, we required an LED to blink it, right? Now, the third component, a very important component, what is required for LED blinking uh, is our resistor. Yeah, we don't want to burst our LED, so we need to connect it resistors. You know that. Now, I'm going to do the connections. Now, let's get started. Here you can see in an LED. This is called cathode and this is anode. Now, this positive terminal I'm going to connect with any digital pin. Here we can connect it anywhere. You already know that. In this video, okay, in this positive side, I'm going to connect it with 13. So let's start with the connections. Okay, here I have connected it with 13 pin. Now connect resistor. Now I'm going to connect this cathode pin with GND pin because cathode will connect to the GND, negative will connect to the GND ground, positive will connect to the digital pins. Here I have connected it. Okay, let's change this color to black because it is a ground pin. Now here we are done with our connections. Now let's start some basic coding. Here I will guide you all step by step of coding. Now let's change it to text. Now I'm going to write the code here. Now first I'm going to write this setup LED function like uh, I'm going in this I'm going to write this int LED pin int LED pin where we set the LED pin on 30 number. Now in the void setup here the void setup we need to write pin mode where we have connected it 13 comma what we need to write here output because we need to blink an LED. So we need to write the output here. Now in the void loop function, here I'm going to write digital small letters, write 13 comma, I need to write it here high because we need to blink an LED, then fade our LED. Now here I'm going to delay for 1 second or 1000 milliseconds. Now in the third line, I will write digital, okay, small letters, digital write. Here I can write as 13 comma low because we need to fade also here. Here, here, what can I write? Delay for 1000 milliseconds or 1 seconds. Okay, so here I have written the code. Here I have connected the LED pin 13. We have already connected to 13 pin. Now in the void setup, I have written this pin mode 13 comma output because we need to write the output here. Now in the void loop function, as you know, digital write 13 comma high. We need to first glow this LED, so we need to write it as a high. Now, if we want to like off the LED, so I have written it the low. So we need to retain as low if we want to off it. Now in this delay, I have given this 1000 milliseconds. This is basically milliseconds or 1 second. Like in 1 second, there are 1000 milliseconds. In 2 seconds, there are 2000 milliseconds. So this is simple. I think you can understand. Here is the code. Now I'm going to check it is working or not. Now start the simulation and let's see. Now here you can see our code is working fine and our project, this is our project. Now if we want to change our LED color here, now you can click in the LED. Now change the color to green. Here now here you can see it is working. Now let's do some experiment the code. Now change it to 2000 milliseconds. Okay, 2000 milliseconds. Now see here in the LED, you will see that it will on and off in 2 seconds. Yeah, let's see. Here you can see it is taking some time to on and off, taking some time to on and off. If we like, if we change it to 1 second, let's see. Now let's see here. It is glowing or fading very fastly. This is what you can do. This code I will copy in the description. You can copy it and let's try yourself. You can also change this 1000 millisecond to 5000 milliseconds or 10,000 milliseconds and see your experiment. You can also change the 13 pin to the 8 pin, 9 pin, or whatever you want to connect it, and just copy this code and do your own. Do it on your own. Thank you. Thank you for watching Robotech Revolutions.